quickly up the mark. The two boys are here, short track of course. Both red bikes and that's it. Glad that George Russo has his curly bit on the top there. Gladiator thing there. Okay, where it goes there. So there it is. Back at the front there. Looks like Andy Maxwell's back in second place there now on the loud Rob Furiati, I should say. Furiati. Firstly, what I'm over again. Okay, that's the main straight. Here we go. Position. Third position, all a bit of a cross up there, not real good there. As Bruce Russo. He's not up George Russo. George Russo, no, Bruce, he's not in. Okay, down into the swamp. Bit of wet stuff, they're not used to this. The boys are taking it good there. Hot on his tail there, there's a good run for there. Good. Paul Smith, up he goes and gone. Bit of a touch up on the corner, makes it interesting, they don't get themselves into trouble. There we go, round the bottom corner, looking good there. Smithy's got the lead in front of these three wheelers at the moment. And of course, Dylan Walling is still poking the stuff there, getting plenty of dirt off the goggles. Probably guessing where he is a bit at the moment. Well, Andy Maxwell still running in second place. Paul Smith in third. We go back to fourth position. There's Walling on the run. Oh, Russo! He's just done it there. Gone a bit too wide. Final bit to get it to spin out. And that's where George Russo has to go again. Found a bit of dust on the infield and also a couple of snags. As we move along, we're now around the bottom of the field there. Almost got a clip on the wheel there, but I don't think he did. Don't think it made much difference, but if he did grab one of them, you know what happens there. Okay, up we go. Down the bottom there, Smithy's not getting away with it. He's got to go make his food sooner or later. He's got no room there. He's got the inside line now, I mean, the outside line. He's going to be down there, but he's going to work down there. Gotta go for it. Paul Smith keeping tight. What can he do?
Yeah. Go to Melissa. Set to Melissa.
Oh yeah, down into the cane.
Set to Melissa.
Doing it well. Smithy's still pulling tear off. Not quite sure. He's going to have to make his run on this one pretty quickly. If he can, he's going to drive it on the outside. And then he'll go high and steer it up and he'll go